sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the...
Hey besties, it's your girl Grace and I am back with another video. If you're new, thanks for stopping by. If you're not, welcome back. So as y'all can see, y'all see where I'm at. We're back in the kitchen, okay? We was back in the kitchen, and today we are gonna be cooking for y'all. We're gonna be attempting, let me say that, okay? Attempting to cook chicken tenders. But I know regular chicken tenders, we're gonna be attempting to make hot honey chicken tenders. Okay, so I got this recipe from Pinterest. As y'all know, I always go on Pinterest or TikTok, or sometimes Instagram, but really like Pinterest and TikTok. So I got this recipe from Pinterest. I got all my ingredients set up. I'm about to show y'all. Got my meat, all of that. So I'm about to start. I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous because every time I try to fry chicken, something just don't go right, y'all. I don't know what it be, but like I haven't did chicken tenders, so maybe this is my thing. Like I'm trying to do big pieces of chicken. Maybe that's why I be going wrong. But anyways, we're gonna try, okay? But first, I'm gonna show y'all me making the wet batter, because I'm gonna make the wet batter, and we are going to marinate the chicken for like an hour, hour and a half. I might do like 2 hours. I don't know. Something along that line, okay? Because it needs to soak up that flavor, all right? But I'm gonna show you the ingredients that we're gonna put in the wet batter. We're gonna let it marinate, and then we will come back, make the dry batter, fry it up, get us some fries on the side, make the sauce. It's the sauce. But y'all know what I got to go with the sauce, okay? Because it's gonna be like honey hot chicken, okay. But you still need a dip. And y'all know, first, top 3 ranches. Wingstop, American Deli, Spankies. If you don't know Spankies, don't know what to tell you. I don't know if it's a Houston thing or what, but don't know what to tell you. If you don't like Wingstop, babe, click off the video. You can click off. You can click off, because Wingstop, bro, I could drink it. It's that good. But anyways, let me show y'all. Y'all, I got this big old thing. Do y'all see this? This big old thing of Wingstop ranch, because I don't play. Like, I don't play. So we're gonna have this to go with it and go with our fries. So hopefully the chicken come out right. Just hopefully. But we're gonna get into the ingredients, and then we are gonna start the process, y'all.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city, and I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
You give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken God, I need you.
Okay, y'all, so we about to add some cornstarch to the dry batter. And y'all, when I tell y'all, I be stealing this stuff from my mama's house, like all of this, some of the seasoning, some of the I don't be having none. Who just keep cornstarch on them? Like, that's some grown folks stuff. Half of the stuff I be stealing from my mama for real. But we're gonna add this in here, and then we're gonna do the seasonings. Then I think that's all I need for a dry batter for real. But we're gonna check. So
God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh. That's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone. 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 Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way. Close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Golly way. Close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone. 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 Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God.
Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar, they will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage, King will heal you. Before him, adore him, he will give you everything. Come and take your
Can't keep going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going. want so bad. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a quest.
Okay, as y'all can hear, the chicken is cooking. We got the first batch in right now. The rest of them gotta be double breaded again because as y'all saw, I did 2 times. So you bread it, wet, dry, then it's ready. So I gotta do another round of wet and dry batter on most of them, and then we're gonna have the next batch going, okay? But it's sizzling loud, it's looking good right now, and then once I'm like halfway through with that, I'm gonna start on the fries and the sauce. But right now we're gonna finish up with this chicken. Done cooking, y'all. It had been, I don't even know what time it is. It's probably like 4 o'clock. No, it's probably like almost 3 o'clock. We started this at 11 something. Crazy work. But y'all, this is some of our finished results. Okay. So the sauce gave me hell. Okay, so the first sauce, which I still got it. Let me show y'all. This is what the first sauce was like, and it's darker, so I'm probably on something right, but I don't know. It didn't taste too right because I used buffalo sauce instead of hot sauce. So I was like, it's giving, like, it's not spicy enough. Like, it tastes like buffalo. It's not a kick though, you know. So I restarted, so I did 2 sauces. This is the second sauce. Then I had to do like a second try on the second sauce, and then it finally got right. It tasted at least better. It still looks like kind of light, but it tasted a lot better. So I was happy about that. And then I made some french fries, and y'all know I'm eating it with my Wingstop ranch. So the sauce gave me a little trouble, but the second one came out much better. So I've actually already eaten the whole plate. Like I said, it's 3 something right now, but I'm just showing y'all the finished results. The chicken came out good too. I did pretty good with frying it because it always gives me trouble, but the breading is like a little like, I don't know. I feel like it could have came out darker, but it would not get darker and it would be in there for a long time. I don't know. Whew, hot. Right now, y'all. And that is today's cooking video. A new recipe for y'all. I feel like the lady on Pinterest should have been more specific with the sauce, but everything else she ate down with. So try this recipe. Try to make you some new things. Get back in that kitchen, like get to cooking, girl. What you doing? But yeah, this was me getting back to cooking. I hope y'all enjoyed my little honey hot sauce, whatever, chicken. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and see y'all on the next one. Bye, besties.